Assalamu alaikum students. This is Dr. Samina Qasim, your research methods and skill course facilitator. Today, I'm going to teach you to perform missing value analysis. As you can see, this is our data set. Cleaning the data is very important. First step towards cleaning the data is to check any missing value in the data set. The role of missing data analysis is basically the assessment of the presence of a pattern in missing data, as it can affect the analysis. Acceptable level of missing data lie within the 10% of the whole data. More than 10% missing value can lead to problem in the interpretation of the results. Now let's start the analysis. Can you see my cursor moving? Go on Analyze. Then click on Missing Value Analysis. Select all the quantitative variables and move it to quantitative variables here, like this. Then select any variable which is not in use at the moment. You can choose age and move it to categorical variable, right? Then click OK. Once you click, you get an output box. Let me share this output box with you. Now can you see the screen, this output box? You see in PFB2, which is a variable item, parental financial behavior, item number 2, you can see one missing variable, one value of missing variable, right? Then you can see in another YFB4, which is another variable item, youth financial behavior, you see one more missing value. It means the data set have some missing values, right? Now we have to replace this missing value by a method called mean substitution technique, right? Now for this, we have to again perform the test. What will you do? Go on transform over here. Then click on replace missing values. Because you have missing value in the data set, you have to replace it, right? How can you do this? By going on transform, replace missing value. Once you have, then what you're supposed to do, you have to you have to consider all the variables over here, the quantitative variables, only the quantitative variables. Select all this, go on new variable over here. This has been replaced by mean substitution technique, right? Okay. What is it? It is a missing value analysis technique where it has been substituted by mean substitution technique. The purpose of mean substitution technique is to replace the missing value with the mean value of variable that is calculated from all the valid responses. This method is applicable to the rationale as mean is the best single replacement value. Right? Now just after moving the variables to the new variable box, click OK. Once you click OK, you find all the missing value has been replaced by this method. So we have to verify it whether the values have been replaced or not. For this, we will again go on Analyze, right? Click on Missing Value Analysis. First, click the Reset button, and now you see a new variable by the name of S mean PFB1 has been created, right? Now you have to use all these new variables, these variables, because these are the variables which has been replaced by the mean substitution method. Okay, now just select all these variables because these are the replaced values, replaced mean values. Click on or move on to the quantitative variable. Once you have moved on to quantitative variable, and again if you want to take any categorical variable, then again perform the test. If you perform it, you'll see it was PFB2. Now it has been moved on to, it has been replaced. You see, these value has been replaced. Now there is no missing value present in the data set. All the values has been replaced by mean substitution technique. Okay, so this is the missing data treatment which we have performed by mean substitution technique. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood.